Spironolactone in women is a commonly prescribed medication. I see more spironolactone written by dermatologists and primary care physicians who aren't necessarily uh, in the hair restoration business, but obviously I see people that have hair thinning. And it's kind of a trigger response to say, let's put you on spironolactone and give this a try. I've seen probably hundreds of patients that have been on spironolactone, and I have not had a lot of patients have tremendous results. There are some women that feel it stopped the shedding or stopped some of the hair thinning and kept them stable, but I can't think of anyone offhand who has had just a dramatic improvement with spironolactone. So it's not something that I generally prescribe, and I have other tools such as PRP, laser light therapy, even hair transplant or scalp micropigmentation to address the hair thinning. The other thing to consider would be minoxidil or even topical finasteride. So with that said, spironolactone theoretically should block the testosterone and DHT issues, but I have not found it to be tremendously effective.